There are times you need to reset your iPad, iPad mini, or iPad Pro to make it new again. And then, you forgot the Apple ID password that's required to do the resetting. If that's the case, resetting the Apple ID password could take you lots of time and effort. Well, this video will show you how to reset an iPad without the Apple ID password fast and easily with just a few clicks. 1. Permanently reset iPad without the Apple ID password with iMyFone-Lockwiper. When it comes to unlocking an iPad, always come to iMyFone-Lockwiper first. It will unlock your iPad's Apple ID or screen passcode with just a few clicks. To reset your iPad, LockWiper utilizes the Unlock Apple ID mode, which can remove the Apple ID from your current iPad without a password while finishing the iPad resetting process. First, launch iMyFone-Lockwiper and select the Unlock Apple ID mode. Then connect your iPad to the computer. Click on Start Unlock and follow the on-screen instructions. iMyFone-Lockwiper will finish resetting without an Apple ID within a few minutes. If you're using iOS 11.4 or above, make sure you've turned on two-factor authentication and set up screen passcode. If you'd like to try this method, click the download link below in the description. 2. Reset iPad without Apple ID using iTunes. Step 1. Launch iTunes and connect your iPad to the computer. Step 2. Click on the phone icon and go to Summary. Step 3. Click on Restore iPad and follow the on-screen instructions. This method could take a much longer time, and it may fail due to its low success rate. 3. Tips you should know for resetting an iPad. Can I directly use iTunes to do the reset? Ensure that you have the latest version of iTunes on your computer or Mac if you want to use the iTunes option to do a factory reset. What should I do before resetting? Back up your important information before resetting to avoid losing them permanently. You do this because resetting the iPad will wipe out all data with the aim of restoring the device to its factory settings. Will resetting the iPad also erase the data in the iCloud? Some people might be worrying that the factory reset will also erase the data stored in iCloud. Don't worry, iCloud can be used to back up your data. Well, that's all for this video. One of my friends told me that he wanted to reset his iPhone to make it brand new, so that he can give it to someone else. But the problem is that when he tries to do that, the iPhone requires the Apple ID password before resetting it. The sad truth is that he forgot his Apple ID password. For those people with the same problem, I would suggest they try iMyFone-Lockwiper, which can reset all iPhones without an Apple ID password. This method works for all iPhones, including iPhone 11 and the latest iPhone 12, and also works for all iOS versions, including iOS 14. So let's check out how to do it step by step. Step 1. Launch iMyFone-Lockwiper on your computer and choose the Unlock Apple ID mode. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer and click Start to Unlock. Make sure that two-factor authentication is on and you have set up the screen lock passcode already. Step 3. Download and extract the firmware package. Step 4. Click Start Unlock, enter 0000000 and click Unlock to start unlocking. In just a few minutes, you will have successfully reset your iPhone without a password, and you can enter the iPhone with a new Apple ID. Besides, if you forgot the passcode on your iPhone during resetting, LockWiper can also help remove the passcode. Of course, you can solve this problem by resetting the Apple ID password first. You can do that via phone number or a recovery key, etc. However, if you'd like to go to Apple support, Unfortunately, they can't help you reset the Apple ID password, and you still need to go to forgot.apple.com, which requires your phone number, email, and other information. This would be more tricky if you don't have another iOS device. So, if you'd like to reset your iPhone but forgot the Apple ID password, then LockWiper would be the easiest way, which doesn't require a phone number, email, security questions. It can directly remove the Apple ID and reset your iPhone. And that's all for today's video. If you have any problems regarding iPhone locks, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.